Dear participants, today I would like to speak about a friendship that has lasted for centuries, the delicious bond between Turkish and Iranian cuisine. Turkey and Iran are more than two neighboring countries. They are two ancient cultures. They share stories told through recipes carried on trade routes and meals shared in caravanserais. Rice, kebabs, minty yogurt drinks, and delicious soups. These are not only food but also deep symbols of our shared heritage. Food doesn't only feed the body, it touches the heart and echoes in the soul. That is why culinary culture is one of the finest tools of cultural diplomacy. A dish can say more than a long speech. A simple sip of ayran or a bite of lokum reflects the deep cultural connection between two nations. When Sufi dervishes migrated from Khorasan to Anatolia, they brought more than just their faith. Likewise, the caravans traveling from Anatolia to Iran carried more than goods. This movement also transferred recipes, table traditions, and methods of preserving food. Today, we taste the trace of these traditions in both cuisines. Dessert, fruits, vegetables, spices, traditional drinks, all are pieces of our shared memory. This rich past is not only a memory, it is also a powerful opportunity for the future. Gastrodiplomacy is a new path for global dialogue. Shared recipes remind us of shared values. We must not only protect this heritage but also carry it forward. For example, take saffron. Saffron is a valuable plant widely cultivated across Iran's vast landscape. In particular, the Khorasan region stands out as a major center for saffron production in the country. In Türkiye, the town of Safranbolu, which takes its name from saffron, located in the province of Karabük, is known for its saffron cultivation. Saffron fields, stone houses, and local flavors can serve as a powerful catalyst for rural development, and Safranbolu is a remarkable example of this. The city's story, its culinary heritage, and its distinctive architecture are compelling elements that draw people in. These attractions play a key role in place branding, helping transform a location into a recognizable and meaningful identity. Through film, design, and digital media, we can share it with the world. South Korea succeeded it with K-food, K-dramas, K-beauty, K-pop, and more. Why not us? By working together with projects like iFood or T-food, we can create an eco wave, just like the Korea wave. Let's turn our cultural code into a global brand together. Cultural diplomacy is not only for formal events. With creative projects from kitchen to screen, we can spread this influence worldwide. The rich culinary heritage of Türkiye and Iran is not just a reflection of the past, it's a gateway to the future. Universities can do deep research, and entrepreneurs can bring new and creative investment. Together, the two countries can present their shared traditions through joint festivals, tasting events, and competitions. The Eco-Cultural Institute can play a vital role in facilitating these collaborations. When academia, institutions, and investors work together, gastronomy can become a powerful tool of cultural diplomacy, not only for Turkey and Iran, but for the entire eco-region. In this way, we can activate our magnificent soft power potential. So let's cook together, let's serve together. Thank you.